Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about online shopping. Topic, online shopping. Episode 32 today.
Yes, online shopping, it is a big topic. It is part of our life now.
True, we buy many things on the internet. Clothes, food, gifts, books, even furniture.
Today, we will talk slowly. We will use simple words. We will share stories, and we will learn new words. Ready?
Ready. Let us start.
So, Zoe, what is online shopping in one sentence?
Online shopping is buying things on the internet. You use a computer or a phone. You choose items, you pay online, then the seller sends the items to your home.
Yes, that is simple. You do not go to a store. The store comes to you.
I like that line. The store comes to you. It's very comfortable.
Tell me about your first online shopping experience.
Oh, my first time was many years ago. I was nervous. I bought a pair of shoes. I remember the shoes looked small in the picture. The size chart was confusing. I guessed the size. When the shoes arrived, they were too big. I felt sad, but the seller had a good return policy. I returned the shoes. I learned to check size charts carefully.
That is a great story. I remember my first time too. I ordered a travel mug. The picture looked shiny and big, but the mug was small and the lid did not fit well. It leaked coffee in my back. I had a coffee stain on my laptop once. Not good. After that, I read reviews before I buy.
Those stories teach two lessons. Read the size chart and read reviews. Simple steps, but important.
Yes, reviews are very helpful. Reviews tell you what other people think. They show real pictures sometimes. They can warn you about problems.
Let us talk about the good things first. Why do people like online shopping?
Okay, I will list a few reasons. 1, it is convenient. You can shop from home. You do not need to go out. 2, wide choice. You can see many brands and many stores in one place. 3, good for comparing prices. You can find deals and discounts. 4, you can shop at any time, day or night. 5, delivery to your door. You do not carry heavy bags.
Good list. I add one more. You can buy things from other countries. You can get a product that's not in your city.
Now the not so good things. What are the problems?
There are some. 1, you cannot touch the product before buying. You don't feel the material, the size, or the color exactly. 2, delivery can be slow. Sometimes the package is late. 3, there can be extra fees like shipping or customs. 4, sometimes the item is not the same as the picture. 5, risk of scams or fake websites.
Yes, that last one is serious. Some websites are not safe. They can take your money and not send the product.
Let us give simple tips to shop safely. Tip 1, buy from known and trusted websites. Big stores or official brand pages are safer. Tip 2, look for secure website signs. The web address starts with HTTPS and a small lock icon near the address bar. Tip 3, read reviews and ratings. Tip 4, check return policy and shipping time before you buy. Tip 5, use a safe payment method like credit card or secure payment services. They often protect you if something goes wrong. Tip 6, keep your passwords strong and do not share them.
Great tips. I also add, when a deal looks too good to be true, it might be a scam. Be careful with very low prices.
Now let's teach some useful words and phrases for online shopping. First word, cart. Like a shopping cart in a store, but on a website. You add things to your cart.
Another word is checkout. This is the process to pay for your items. You enter address, choose shipping, and pay.
Shipping, this is how the item moves from the seller to you. Delivery, when the package arrives at your home. Tracking, a number you use to see where your package is.
Return, to send an item back. Refund, money the seller gives you back. Exchange, when you change an item for a different size or color. Review, your opinion about the product. Good and simple words.
Now let's practice a short dialogue you can use when you buy online. I will be the customer, you be the store assistant.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, I want to buy the blue sweater in size medium. Is it in stock?
Hello. Yes, the blue sweater in medium is in stock. Would you like standard or express shipping?
Standard shipping is fine. How long will it take?
Standard shipping takes 5 to 7 days. We will send you a tracking number.
Thank you. What is your return policy?
You can return the sweater in 30 days for a full refund. Please keep the tags.
Great, I will buy it now. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
That practice is short and useful. You can use it when you write or speak in English.
Good practice. Now let's talk about saving money online. People love discounts and coupons. How do you find good deals?
I check sales sections first. I sign up for newsletters sometimes because stores send discount codes. I also compare prices on different sites. There are apps and extensions that show coupons and price history, and I wait for big sale days like Black Friday or other local sales. But don't buy just because it's cheap. Think if you really need it.
Yes, buying less and buying smart is good. Also check shipping cost. A low price with high shipping cost is not a good deal.
Let us share a funny story about online shopping. I once ordered 2 identical mugs. I thought I ordered one. The box had 2. I laughed and I gave one to my neighbor. Now she uses it every morning. It makes me happy.
Nice. I had a different funny moment. I ordered a large t-shirt. The shirt was huge, like a small blanket. My cat loved it and slept on it for days. I learned to read the size chart more carefully after that.
These stories make shopping real. We all make small mistakes sometimes. That's okay. We learn from them.
True. Mistakes are lessons.
Before we finish the main topic, we want to ask you one thing. Please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like. It helps us a lot. Share with friends who want to learn English. Thank you.
Now, a short listening and speaking exercise. Listen first, repeat after me slowly. I will say the phrase, then pause and repeat. Ready?
Yes. Phrase 1. Add to cart. Repeat.
Add to cart.
Phrase 2. Proceed to checkout. Repeat.
Proceed to checkout.
Phrase 3. What is the delivery time? Repeat.
What is the delivery time?
Phrase 4. Can I return this item? Repeat.
Can I return this item?
Phrase 5. I would like a refund. Repeat.
I would like a refund.
Good. Practice these phrases. Use them when you shop online.
Now, a short review of what we learned. We talked about the meaning of online shopping. We shared good things and problems. We gave safety tips. We practiced useful words and a short conversation. We shared personal stories. We practiced speaking phrases.
Great summary. Before we end, one small thing. Always check your bank or card statements after a purchase. If something looks wrong, contact your bank quickly. It's another safety step.
I want to end with a little reflection. Online shopping makes life easier. It saves time. It brings the world to our home. But it's not perfect. Sometimes we miss the feel of the product. Sometimes we wait for delivery. So a small balance is best. Buy with care, enjoy the convenience, and be safe.
That is a good reflection. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing with us today. Please try one small task. This week, make one small online purchase and practice the phrases we said. Or if you don't buy, try reading reviews for one product and find the size chart. Small steps help you learn.
Yes, small steps. One small step every day. Thank you again. If you liked this episode, share it. Tell your friends. Please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us teach more people.
See you in the next episode. Take care and keep practicing English. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.